Is VideoProc actually the best AI video upscaler as we head into 2026, or is it just another overhyped converter? Today, we're doing an honest, feature-focused review of VideoProc to see if it's worth your time and hard-earned money. If you've ever tried to upscale old home videos, shaky phone footage, or low-res clips, you know how frustrating it can be. VideoProc positions itself as a one-stop AI media solution. Instead of just doing one thing, it combines video upscaling, image enhancement, converting, editing, and even audio cleaning into a single desktop application. The headline feature here is their super-resolution V3 models. VideoProc uses these AI models to upscale videos up to 4K while attempting to reconstruct missing details rather than just stretching the pixels. They also feature AI face restoration and colorization to breathe life back into old blurry photos alongside frame interpolation to turn choppy videos into smooth, buttery 60 frames per second footage. On top of that, they've added audio AI tools to easily strip out background noise or isolate vocals and instrumentals. But how does it handle the heavy lifting? AI processing is notoriously slow, but VideoProc tackles this with their Level 3 hardware acceleration. It's fully optimized for Intel, AMD, NVIDIA, and even Apple's M-series chips all the way up to the M5. They claim this unique GPU acceleration can speed up transcoding and processing by up to 47 times real-time. Now, let's be completely honest. Because independent, long-term user reviews for their latest versions are still limited, we have to look closely at the potential downsides. First, because VideoProc packs so many different tools into one interface, from DVD ripping and screen recording to advanced AI upscaling, the software might feel a bit cluttered or overwhelming if you are looking for a single-purpose tool. Second, to actually achieve those blazing fast 47 times speeds, you will need a relatively modern computer with a solid GPU. If you're running a very old machine, the AI processing is still going to take some patience. So, what's the final verdict? If you want a highly versatile, hardware-accelerated media powerhouse that does a bit of everything and does it fast, VideoProc is absolutely worth testing out, especially with their free trial. However, if you only want a basic one-click video converter without any extra bells and whistles, it might be more tool than you actually need. Have you tried VideoProc's AI Upscaler yet? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one.